So they've just completed driving in some of the bolts at the top there. If you count the segments, it's stacked 7 high now. There's 7, 1 from the top down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 of these, and there's one more. Looks like there is maybe room, maybe there is room, or maybe they'll add a different attachment at the top so that they can lift that last smaller piece. It is a little bit of maybe a challenge for them to do that, or maybe they'll extend the crane up a little bit more. Maybe they'll bring the crane down, add a piece, and then do that last piece. But it may be enough room to do the last piece if they do something different with the way they have that hoist at the top. It'd be interesting. I'll pan around. I'll zoom in on a few areas and pan around a little bit.